Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my cooking. A happy day po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back guys sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. So sa mga bago po sa channel ko, we're here sa aming tiny kitchen, okay? And sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And sa mga nagsubscribe na po at patuloy na sumusuporta sa YouTube channel ko, thank you so much guys, kasi as of today, we are now 3K subscribers. Yay! And this is all because of you. Okay? So, thank you so much po sa patuloy na suporta sa YouTube channel ko. And of course, for today, another recipe na naman po ang i-share ko sa inyo na sana po magustuhan nyo at sana ma-prepare nyo din to your loved ones because I know this is a delicious snack and pwede rin pong pang negosyo to. Okay? And this is all about dimsum. So, alam ko mahilig po tayo sa mga dimsum. And ang isi-share ko nga na recipe, isa sa mga dimsum recipe ay ang Taro Puff. Yes guys, all about Gabi. So, ang Taro Puff guys is isa sa mga in-order namin ni Vince sa Chinese restaurant like Lokien. Doon namin laging in-order ang Taro Puff. Hindi po mawawala sa in-order namin. So, naisipan ko na why not itry naman my homemade Taro Puff. Okay? So, ang buong ingredients po ay makikita on the description box below. But for now, ang ipapakita kong ingredients muna ay yung para sa dough. And then after that, the filling. Okay? Okay guys, so here's our ingredients for our dough. Of course, meron tayong gabi. Ayan, half kilo po ng gabi. And then meron tayong half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. So yung sugar ko po na available ngayon is brown, pero much better kung yung white one, okay? Para hindi po ganong magkulay. And then of course, butter or you can use oil. And then meron tayong wheat starch. So naghanap ako guys ng wheat starch sa grocery and wala akong makita. Maybe sa mga big grocery po baka meron. So, what I did is, nag-order na lang po ako sa Shopee. So, i-search nyo lang po wheat starch and makikita nyo po yung Mr. Starch po yung na-order ko. And marami din pong medyo mas magaganda na mas mahal, which is siguro imported yun. Ito kasi local. Okay? And then, of course, kakailangan din natin guys is yung hot water, boiling water. So, mamaya, pag once na boiling ng ating water, kukuha ako guys ng half cup para sa ating dough. Okay? So, let's start how to prepare our taro puff, our dough. So, una guys is ipipil natin ang ating taro and pakukulaan natin or you can steam. Okay? Okay guys, so let's peel our taro or gabi. And guys, I suggest na kung meron kayong plastic gloves, use it kasi di ba makati ang gabi, kaya protect your hands. Okay? So, peel nyo lang siya guys. Yan. So, medyo maganda yung nabili kong gabi, oh. Yan. So, for sure, lagkitan to. Okay? Okay guys, so after we peel our taro, chop na natin guys, or slice natin siya. Ay, nahulog. Yan. Slice natin and saka natin siya pakuluan. Tulin pa natin para mas madali siyang maluto. Ayan, half pa natin siya. So, kayo guys, saan nyo ba natitikman ang Taro Puff? Saang Chinese restaurant kayo nag-order ng Taro Puff? For sure, masarap, diba? And try nyo din at home. And pwede rin to guys na panghanda sa Christmas at New Year, right? So it's birth time and start na tayo mag-isip guys kung ano-ano yung mga recipe na pwede natin ihanda. This coming Noche Buena and Media Noche. Media Noche. Okay? So, let's boil our taro. Okay guys, so kung boiling ng ating water, as mentioned kanina, kukuha tayo ng kailangan natin ng 1/2 cup. So, kuha lang ako konti ng 1/2 cup. Tansyahin na lang natin mamaya, sukatin. Ayan. Set aside and then let's put our gabi. Let's boil our taro guys for siguro 15 minutes. Basta hanggang malutong-maluto na siya, okay? And then saka natin siya imamash together with the other ingredients. Okay, so see you in a bit guys. Okay guys, so okay na ang ating gabi. Ayan o, natutusok na natin ng tinidor. So, let's drain our gabi and cool down natin guys. Okay guys, so after natin ma-drain ang ating taro, i-mash na natin. So, i-cool down lang natin konti para syempre hindi ka mapaso. And then, i-mash natin with the butter. Mas maganda nga guys na mainit pa yung taro. And then, put na natin yung butter para mag-melt na lang yung butter sa taro. Dahil mainit. Okay guys, so after nating ma-mash ang ating taro with butter, i-mix naman natin yung mga remaining ingredients. And then, we combine into this dough. Okay? So, set aside muna natin. Then, sa bowl, let's put our wheat starch. And then, our sugar and salt. And then, 1/2 cup guys ng hot water. Yung kinuha natin kanina. So, 1/2 cup. Okay, and then mix well. And then, after that guys, combine natin ang ating mixture sa dough. Okay guys, so ito na ang ating dough. And alam nyo guys, nadamihan ko ng water yung mixture natin. So, ang right na measurement is sa 500 grams of taro is only 1/8 cup. Mabuti na lang, lagi akong handa. Meron akong extra taro, extra gabi, at meron pa tayong wheat starch. Okay? So, yun yung proper na measurement. Okay? So, let it rest ang ating dough for an hour sa ref. So, pwede nyo siya guys ilagay sa plastic, sa cling wrap, or ang gagawin ko na lang is ita-transfer ko sa mas maliit na bowl and wrap it with plastic. Okay? Yan. Okay? And then, cover it with plastic. So, 1 hour na naka-rest sa ref, okay na. Ayan. So, kuberan muna natin siya. Okay? So, let it rest for an hour sa ref. Okay guys, so while waiting to rest our dough sa ref, let's prepare naman our filling. So, ito ang ating mga ingredients guys. So, meron tayong ground pork. So, konti lang naman yung ipa-fry natin. So, siguro less than 1/4 ng pork, ground pork. And then, meron tayong shrimp. So, 7 pieces. So, gagawa tayo ng 7 pieces of taro puff. And then, of course, the butter, garlic and onion. And then, of course, meron tayong cornstarch. Meron tayong oyster sauce and what do you call the sesame oil. And meron tayong sugar. Let's put sugar, pepper, and salt to taste. Okay? So, guys, ibuboil ko ang ating ground pork. And then, ito yung way ko ng pagluto ng pork. So, Ibuboil lang natin muna siya hanggang matuyo. Saka natin lagyan ng butter and saute the garlic and onion. Okay? Okay guys, so tuyo na siya. Medyo luto na din. So let's put butter. And then garlic and onion. Then let's put oyster sauce. Sesame oil. Pinch of sugar guys. Pinch of salt. And pepper. Then, lutuin lang natin for 2 to 3 minutes. The last ingredients is yung cornstarch. Okay guys, and then let's put the cornstarch dissolved in water. Yung konting water lang. And all done guys. Okay na ang ating filling. So let's cool down, and then for a few minutes, let's prepare our taro puff. Yay! Okay guys, so ito na ang ating dough. Ayan, so tingnan natin. So wala nang sukat-sukat guys. Tansya-tansya na lang. Ayan. Okay, so form tayo ng ball. Then flatten. Ayan guys. And then put tayo ng portion ng ating pork. So depende na rin sa inyo kung gaano kadami. Ayan. And then guys, put shrimp. Ayan. And then form oblong. Ayan. So nakagawa na tayo ng isa guys. So sana makagawa tayo ng 7 kasi 7 yung shrimp natin. Okay, so set aside natin. Okay, another one. So make sure kitang-kita yung ano ng hipon para maganda sa presentation din, right? Last one guys. Okay guys, all done. So ito na ang ating nagawang taro puff. So nakagawa tayo guys ng 7 na taro puff. And excited na akong tikman guys. So i-fry na natin. So let's fry guys. Dapat mainit na mainit yung mantika. Okay? Ayan. So try muna natin yung dalawa. Okay, tatlo. Ayan. So hintayin lang natin na maging golden brown. Okay then guys. Ito na ang ating taro puff. So, ito na guys ang aking finished product, ang aking Taro Puff Pinoy version. Okay? Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Okay? So, of course, it's tasting time without me. Ayan guys. Okay? So, let's try to taste. And by the way, sa mga mahilig po sa chili sauce, chili garlic, ayan. So, sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Joyce Alvior. And sana po, patuloy niyo po akong supportahan sa YouTube channel ko. Okay, so bye for now. I love you all guys. Thank you.